Okay, folks, today we're going to be doing a how-to video. We commonly get asked questions, you know, how to work the features on vehicles. What we're doing today is 2014 Ford Expedition King Ranch. Now, actually, this will work on some other years. They try to keep everything the same, pretty much. But we're going to go through some of the features, especially with the Bluetooth. All right, so we got the vehicle running. Let's get inside and let's just go to media right here. We can go to Bluetooth devices, and as you can see, we don't have anything added. So what we want to do now is we want to hit add, and then we want to go
search for sync on your device and enter the pass key provided by sync.
Then you want to go to your settings on your phone, and then go to Bluetooth. Then you want to reach down through there and find the sync app, and then hit it and connect. And then once you connect it right there, you'll have to put this pass key in the phone. And then once you have that, it'll be in there forever every time that you get in here. Now also, we go through here, we can go to our menu. We can go down to system settings. Better yet, let's just go back over the phone. All right, right now we have no phone connected, but here's our settings. All right, this is another way that you can do it. You can search for it on your device. You can hit add device, and the same thing.
Search for sync on your device and enter the pass key provided by sync.
Same thing, just find it on your Bluetooth on your phone, and then enter in the pass key. Doesn't matter what kind of phone it is. And that's pretty much it. Also, you can, let's see. Also, we could actually go in there. You can do some stuff with your settings on your text message. It's pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory once you get into it. If we go to settings and we want to add a bunch of different phones, we can set one as set as favorite. If we had a phone entered in, then we'd set it as favorite right there. And then also you can always hit add, and then when you do have a list, even if you have 4 phones, you can set one as a favorite, or you can go to this sheet, even if it is selected as a favorite, and then select what phone that you have that you want to use. Text messaging, you can see it coming down through there after you get your phone hooked up. It's pretty simple. Also, there'll be some sync apps, like 911 assist, and some different mobile apps. Just you'd have to search for them right there. And that's pretty much it. Also, if you'd rather not use Bluetooth, if you'd rather use like a cord auxiliary plug or a USB plug, it's right here in the glove box, as you can see right there. Once you hook it up, it'll walk you through everything. And other features, you know, like the air conditioned seats and heated seats, they're all controlled right here. You dual climate control too, of course. Also up here at the top, that's your rear lift gate, and then your sunroof buttons are right up here at the top. Now all of this you can access through the voice menu. If you just hit voice, you can actually tell the lady what you want to do. If you want to connect the phone, add a Bluetooth device, or add phone is the way it is with Ford. You can do it all through that. Well, and that's pretty much it. We just want to do a quick walkthrough video. Like I said, this was on a 14 Ford Expedition King Ranch. It'll work on a lot of different models of Fords, you know, with the Microsoft Sync, and some different year models. Also, I'll have the factory trailer brakes down here too on the King Ranch, and then you turn switch 4-wheel drive. The Microsoft Sync's really cool settings. You can do a lot of it with it with your phone. through the radio and then not have to touch it while you're driving down the road. And then once again, we're always here for any questions. If you have any problems getting anything hooked up, just give us a call, 731-968-2812, and business online at snsAutosale.com. Thanks for watching, folks, and we'll see you next time.